Farm 11-02. I'm going to talk about William James and Russell Bell describe precision as part of the self. William James, a pioneering figure in psychology, introduced the concept that material possessions serve as extension of our very souls. The nation extends beyond our own shapes, encompassing a wide array of elements, including our homes, relationships, and even our reputation, all of which was intricately woven into the fabric of our identity. In essence, James argued that we are considered our becomes an integral part of who we are. Upon this foundational idea, Russell Bell further asserted that these positions function as crucial instruments in both defining and communicating our identity, shaping our self-perceptions and influencing how others perceive us. Bell emphasized that we are actively utilize material good to construct and maintain a sense of self, thereby transforming these positions into extension of our extended self. Next, I'm going to talk about how those ideas can be seen in today's culture, especially in social media, fashion, or lifestyle. In today's social media and consumer culture, the theories of William James and Russell Bell on the material self remain highly relevant.